Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Yeah, Bitcoin had some fun with everybody today. Solana as well. A lot of up and down today. Bit of whipsaw going on there. Obviously, there were some, you could say catalysts. People always look for the news and explanations why something happens. That's not normally so relevant from a technical point of view. The levels matter, where your risk sits matters. But we had obviously over 300 financial or earnings reports come out today. I think there were some rumors about Mt. Gox and whatever, US government or something. So I'm not entirely sure there. But either way, we saw a little bit of up and down. Scenarios largely unchanged. What I'm going to take off the chart now, though, is the alternative scenario, which was here a more direct bullish breakout. In here a 1-2 setup, and then another 1-2 setup. I'm gonna take it off the chart now, especially with that latest low. It would look very, very strange. So I'm gonna take it off the chart. This alternative count, again, it's the alternative only anyway. So let's take that off the chart. And let me think. And primarily, we're now looking at this structure here, in which Solana rallied in a wave 1 of the 10th of March low. And then we had here our, I think I took one, I think I took that WXY off the chart, but I put it back. We had here a wave W, a wave X, and this is now a Y wave to the downside. Let me put that back. I think I did accidentally delete it. So let me just do that now. WXY, and to be honest, I probably put the X wave here, and then in this Y wave we are looking at a possible A, B, C structure. Again, there are different interpretations depending on what happens here now. If this was B, it would have been very short. Possible. We could now come down in a C wave. Certainly the impulse here would suggest it. What is also possible, if this indeed is a B wave, to see a little bit of a higher B, but all of that would be part of the same scenario. So I think the orange support area is not so relevant anymore. We obviously used it today. We still haven't broken below the 2083 level, but in this particular, especially with that break today, my opinion is there is not really an immediate upside setup there anymore, not at the moment. Resistance for B remains to be 2487. And as long as we stay below that, I assume that we are heading lower here in a C wave of wave Y. And as long as we're holding 1778, I would assume that eventually we will push higher, because as explained, this would be a so-called 1-2 setup, just with quite a complex WXY correction. But as long as we're holding 1778, the overall long setup is still valid. And, we have many changes here every day, on the smaller time frame, but really the higher level scenario isn't really changing a lot or very often. So obviously we still have that yellow support area here on the chart. 1778 has been relevant since end of March, I think. After this possible move up after this sort of impulse or actually leading diagonal was completed. But obviously you have a lot of up and down and intraday volatility on the shorter time frames, but really nothing changes at the moment. And again, the wave after the low here, which will be made or should be made in this area, the next wave should be a third wave, which should be quite a bullish wave. All right, that's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.